Yo, what's up guys? This is Papa Japs. Muling nagbabalik para kay pasayahin. Hold up. Andito tayo ngayon sa Blue Sky Theme Park Event Center. Ayan, located lamang sila sa Bayambang, Pangasinan. So tara na, let's go! Mag-enjoy tayo dito guys. Look at that! The lights, the vibes, the people. Ang daming tao na kagad dito. Grabe oh. And tonight is not just a night. Dahil ngayon soft opening for those who get their tickets for November 29, 2025. Kung may ticket ka, congrats! Dahil isa ka sa mga unang makaka-experience ng Blue Sky Theme Park. Ayan, VIP feels tayo tonight, ha? Now listen guys, the park is officially opens at 6:30 PM. But, kung ako sa inyo, darating ako ng mas maaga kasi the excitement starts before 6:30. 6 PM pa lang, may bonggang-bongga na kaagad. Grabe, no? 6 PM, Grand Christmas lighting of the BYB Metro. Like, what guys? Grabe, this is huge. Literal na buong BYB Metro mag-iilaw sabay-sabay. Goosebumps moment guaranteed dito guys. And then, they have talents coming in. Hindi ko muna sasabihin kung sino, pero trust me, you will scream guys. Yes, you heard it right. Tonight, they revealed the official theme song of Blue Sky Theme Park. Grabe. Ang sarap sa tinga, promise guys. The soft launch runs from 6:30 PM to 10 PM. Ayan, kung maaga ka, mas marami kang mapagpipicturan, mas marami kang mapapanood, mas maraming memories. Only vibes, only ligaya, only moments. And guys, siyempre, the food stalls are loaded. The rides look sick. The view, bro, grabe, ang ganda. Pang Instagram, pang TikTok, pang profile picture. So after tonight's soft launch, ito ang regular schedule ng Blue Sky Theme Park. From Monday to Sunday, 4 PM to 9 PM lang guys. Pero sa Monday, close sila guys. So make sure to plan your visit, invite your family and friends, katropa, ka-LDR lahat na. We would also like to extend our gratitude to one of our food sponsors, the Golden Stick Corn Dog. Ayan, located lamang sila sa stall number 3. Thank you for providing us with the delicious and satisfying food that keep Papa Japs and team energized throughout the event. Ayan, maraming salamat. Grabe, ang sarap, super sulit. Busog na busog kami. This is Papa Japs at Blue Sky Theme Park and we are making a story tonight. Let's make memories, let's make magical, and let's make the best night ever. And once again, this is Papa Japs, and that's the story.